Hey, I'm your browser buddy. Real quick, before we start, I'm gonna let you in on a secret. I'm not a real person. My face, my voice, all of this, it was generated by Google's OmniFlash. And today, I'll show you how to make it yourself.
So, let's get started. Open Google Gemini website on your laptop or phone. Select Create Video. Drop in one photo of yourself. And just describe where you want to be. I'm going to paste the prompt. A young May strolls slowly through a vibrant Asian night market just after rain. Now hit Generate. And here it is. One photo, one prompt, a finished cinematic shot in a night market that never existed. That's the whole OmniFlash engine. Now let's push it further. Before moving forward, can you see this little annoying watermark in the corner? Hold that thought till the end. I'll show you a free way to remove it. Now let's create another clip and let me paste a new prompt. Two people sit across a small wooden table in a cozy rooftop cafe at golden hour. Hit submit again. Wait for a few seconds.
Okay, this one's actually my favorite tool of the year.
This time it generated even more amazing scene with voice. Now moving forward, one honest thing. This video generation feature is only for paid user, and on the Gemini, you only get a few generations a day before you hit a limit, and you can check it in settings. Hit the wall. There's a faster method that also unlocks a couple of extra tricks. Google Flow. Now, open Flow and create a new project. Wait a few seconds for it to load completely. Once the interface is ready, you'll notice the video creation options. Among them, there is a model selection area where the Gemini Flash Omni model is available. Now move to the left navigation panel and click on the Characters section. From there, upload any photo and generate a character from it. After uploading, save the character and assign it a name. I'm naming mine, Browser Buddy 2. You also have the option to choose or create a voice for your character. There are several realistic voice options available.
Hi there. We're introducing a new feature where I can...
Hi there. We're introducing a new feature where I can
For example,
Hi there.
I selected
We're introducing a new feature where I can read this aloud in a natural...
You can choose any voice depending on your preference. There's also an optional field where you can describe your character. I'm skipping that part for now. Now go back to the main workspace and paste your prompt, a cinematic, ultra-realistic sports photography scene showing Browser Buddy playing cricket in England. To link the character you created earlier, simply type "and" the prompt field and select your saved character from the list. Next, choose your aspect ratio. You can pick either 9016 or 16009. I'm going with 16009. You'll also see options for scene variations and video duration. You can select how many variations you want and set the duration anywhere between 4 to 10 seconds. I'm choosing 6 seconds, which will cost 20 credits. Now click Submit and wait for the generation process to complete. After a short while, your result will appear. And there it is, a cinematic, ultra-realistic sports photography scene showing a man playing cricket in England on a bright yet slightly overcast afternoon.
Go for the boundary! Run like your life depends on it.
Also, notice the Erasio button in the interface. I'll explain what that does at the end, so stay tuned. Look at what Google's official blog says about the Gemini Flash Omni model and explore some of its key use cases. The first capability they highlight is edit your videos through conversation. 1. Transform the world around you. In this example, the system allows you to modify reality using simple prompts. For instance, prompt, make the sculpture out of bubbles. The model instantly reimagines the scene and transforms the object into a bubble-based structure. 2. Reimagine the action. Here, the focus is on changing how actions behave or evolve visually. Example prompts include, when the person touches the mirror, make the mirror ripple beautifully like liquid and the person's arm turns into reflective mirror material. Dim the lights in the room. Put a black and white checkerboard room inside a glass sphere floating above the hand, containing a recursive representation inside it. These examples show how the model can reinterpret motion, materials, and even physics in highly creative ways. 3. Refine your videos across multiple turns. This feature allows you to iteratively improve a scene step by step. For example, you can see how the environment gradually changes around a violinist as new instructions are added, making the output more detailed and refined over multiple edits. The next major use case is bring ideas to life, grounded in Gemini's world knowledge. This includes 1. Creating visuals with more accurate physics. The model understands real-world behavior better, so animations and simulations look more natural and believable. 2. Blending knowledge and creativity. It can combine factual understanding with imaginative generation, producing results that are both accurate and artistic. 3. Turning complex ideas into visuals. Even abstract
Proteins
or
start as
complicated
chains of
concepts
amino
can be
acids.
translated into
They fold
clear,
into patterns,
understandable visual representations.
helix.
Remember, another powerful capability is create videos from any combination of inputs. This means you can reference almost anything text, images, video, or audio, and the model can merge them into one unified video output. At the moment, audio input support starts mainly with voice references, but Google plans to expand this further to include more types of audio inputs in the future. Finally, there is create videos with your own digital avatar. This feature allows users to generate videos featuring personalized digital characters, enabling more consistent and identity-driven content creation across different scenes and prompts. Now at the end, let me reveal what I promised at the beginning. You may have already noticed that every video created using the Google Gemini Omni Flash model includes a small sparkle-style watermark. Now, if you want to use these videos for YouTube, for ads and marketing, or sharing with others, that watermark can feel a bit distracting. That's where the Erasio Chrome extension comes in. Just go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Erasio, and from the search results click it and then install it, like any other extension. As I have already installed it, so I'm not going to reinstall it. So once you will install it, the next time you open Google Gemini or Google Flow, it will automatically integrate into the platform. After that, you can directly use it to remove watermarks without any extra setup. Let's try it with one of the videos we created earlier. I'm going to click the download button on the first video. You'll notice a small progress window appears, showing that the video is being downloaded and the watermark is being removed at the same time. Now wait for a moment, and it's done. The video is downloaded. Let's play it. As you can see, the watermark has been removed automatically in seconds. No need to upload it to any third-party tool or website. Pretty impressive, right? We can repeat the same process for other videos as well. But instead of doing it one by one, let me show you how it works directly inside the Google Flow interface. Here are the videos I created earlier, and all of them have that sparkle watermark. Now notice this there is an Erasio button appearing on each video. Whenever you want to download a video, just click that button. It will automatically remove the watermark and download the clean version at the same time. Now I'm going to download another video from Google Flow. Wait for a second to download and remove the watermark. It's downloaded. Now let's see the result. You can see there is no water sparkle watermark. It works perfectly. Erasio also has a web version where you can remove watermarks from images and videos in bulk for free. And it doesn't just work for videos. It also removes watermarks from images generated by Gemini, including those created with the Nano Banano model. Now let me show you an example that how it removes watermark from images directly from Gemini. Just click on the download button, wait for it to download and see downloaded image. Does not have any sparkle water. Overall, it's a simple and useful tool, especially if you regularly work with AI-generated content. You can find the link in the pinned comment. That's it for now.